almost no pigment. I mean, you have to really, if you like pale colors, I guess it's fine, but it's a flimsier tip. And that one was the yellow color I picked up just to compare with some of the earth tones there. And let's try this orangey color in the Arteza. It's just called orange. It's very light as well. I mean, it is nice if you want a light coloration, more of a wash than the other ones, than the Ecoline. Let's go with a darker Arteza brown. And it's very similar in color, not exact, which is nice because then if I want to try blending, I can try, you know, products, and depending on what you want. It's not going to be as pigmented as the Ecoline, but it's still pretty good for the price I paid. I don't think it was very much. And then I also have a set of Ohuhus, which we can try that yellow one first and see if we notice much difference there. This yellow that I picked up has a lot of green in it. I think it's the same, almost identical type of tip as the Artezas, and they even look a lot alike. But the color came out pretty good, I'd say, on this first one that I picked up, which they don't really put a name on them, but they just color the tips. Let's see, which one of these three shall I try next? Let's go with this one right here and see how that comes on the paper. Let's do a swatch of that. This is quite a light tint-like rather than deep pigment. For an inexpensive brush, it's okay. Their quality very, very close to Arteza. Very close. And I'll go with one more. Let's go with this one that we haven't looked at. It's not quite brown, but it is a brown, but it's kind of light. Actually, this one doesn't have as much pigment as most. And so it's inconsistent. The pigments can be inconsistent, but they're still usable. I'm just saying that I prefer Ecoline over the other two. Maybe Arteza would be my second choice. And Ohuhu comes in third for me, but close second. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed seeing these swatches, and it helps you learn a little bit about what to expect when you buy different types of water brushes. And I'm sure there'll be more coming ahead because it seems to be a trendy thing right now. And it is fun working with them. I like to combine them with pens like the Cali Art pens because they are water-based as well. I've got 18 colors in my kit of Cali Art fine liner pens and a lot of vibrant colors in there as well. So it's fun to mix the two together, and you end up having plenty to experiment with. And I always have, when I'm painting, I always have a paper towel and maybe a glass of water there to wet the towel. Okay, hope you enjoyed this brief introduction, and take care. This is Nicole Lee, Health, Beauty, and More.